Few cars embody the pure essence of driving joy quite like the Subaru BRZ. Since its introduction, the BRZ has stood as a beacon for enthusiasts who value balance, lightness, and mechanical honesty over brute force. For 2026, Subaru has taken things a step further by unveiling the highly anticipated Subaru BRZ STI, a performance-oriented variant that redefines what the modern sports coupe can be while keeping true to its lightweight, rear-wheel drive ethos. At first glance, the 2026 Subaru BRZ STI is unmistakably more aggressive than the standard BRZ. Subaru's engineers and designers have integrated subtle but meaningful aerodynamic enhancements, ensuring form follows function. The front fascia features a wider grille intake with an STI-specific honeycomb pattern, flanked by sculpted air dams that channel air toward the brakes and underbody. The hood wears functional vents designed to extract heat from the engine bay while reducing lift at high speeds. The rear is perhaps the most dramatic angle. A carbon fiber decklid spoiler not only improves downforce but also visually distinguishes the STI from the standard BRZ. Quad exhaust tips sit within a reworked diffuser, emphasizing the car's purposeful aesthetic. Where the BRZ STI truly shines is under the skin. Enthusiasts have long wished for Subaru to inject more performance into the BRZ platform, and the 2026 STI finally answers that call. At its core is a turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 boxer engine, heavily revised from the naturally aspirated unit found in the standard BRZ. Tuned by Subaru Technica International, this engine produces around 330 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, a massive leap over the base model. This bump in power transforms the character of the car, delivering the urgency and acceleration that many enthusiasts have yearned for since the BRZ's inception. Power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels through a close-ratio 6-speed manual transmission with short throws and STI-specific gearing. For those who prefer convenience, a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic is available, complete with paddle shifters tuned for aggressive downshifts. Regardless of transmission, the STI maintains its identity as a driver's car with precise, communicative control. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is expected to fall in the 4.0 to 4.2 second range, placing the BRZ STI firmly in contention with European sports cars costing significantly more. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. Subaru has invested deeply in the chassis. The 2026 Subaru BRZ STI isn't about being the most powerful or the fastest sports car on the market. Instead, it's about delivering an authentic driving experience that resonates with enthusiasts. It takes everything people love about the BRZ, its lightness, precision, and affordability, and injects it with a dose of STI performance magic.